So you all came to fight? Okay then. Ashley, why are you running away? I thought you wanted to fight.
No, sir. Me? That the slap the way me see you give Pinky look too healthy. Me nah make no uptown girl come beat me now fetch you and embarrass me. Me gone.
I'm merely baxter nga gang. I'm merely baxter nga gang, girl. Hey, Ashley. Come, woman. Come. Come back, we just beat up the girl now. We could gang the girl and beat her.
Pinkhead, who you looking for? Ashley ran away, leaving the first slap you got. What you all think? Because I'm uptown, I can't fight? Oh, please.
So ladies, what seems to be the problem in the people them store? We get a call say a big fight broke out in our store, two girl in here fight and beat things. How what go on? What happened? Miss Lady over there, sir. What happened to you? Miss Lady over here, sir. Explain, what go on?
Officer, that girl left slap me in my face for nothing in officer. She had take the people and man and show the girl come in and confront her. She come box me down a grung. Brawling officer, box me down flat a grung and me not do this girl or nothing.
Officer, that's a lie. Her friend that ran away have been threatening me for days, saying she's going to beat me up. And this pinkhead saw me in the store and came over to fight. I just simply defended myself.
And just lick me on my face, sir. Lick me on my face, bruise up the wall of my jaw. Hey, girl, I show the officer stand up in front of me, in a girl. But just wait. This nah go so. You can't feel like say you want come slap down Pinky Agrong and feel like say I got just do so. Hey, girl, you're mad.
You see what I'm talking about, officer? She's the aggressor.
Okay, ladies, alright. Me can't bother with the he said, she said type of thing, you know. But anyway, me no want no more fighting our people in place. So two own just buy one buy and if you don't buy, come out our people in place and go home. Alright, me no want to hear about no more fight over no man or whatsoever the case may be. Una just done with the foolishness. Cool?
I've been done, officer. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving.
Done? You think so this done? No girl can't lick me in my face and feel like so mega just take that, sir. Hey, girl, remember me tell you say, anyway me see out a road, a war.
Okay then, Pinky Pinks, bring it. Idiot.
Me can't believe say girl Ashley run gan left me and she met me and this uptown girl I end up in a banger, you know. Me never know a girl from nowhere me gan take up people problem put on my head. And that's why I didn't tell you say you have to just leave people business alone. Left you alone. Cause look how this girl could have shot me. This girl could have stabbed me. This girl and the girl actually just run gan left me. I got call this girl Ashley too, you know, and just gear a piece of my mind, you know. I would have phone me. And my dial this girl a number cause me can't believe all now. So the girl run regard left me.
Hello, Pinky, what go on? You good?
Pinky wagwan, no? You see all no? Una a good friend, no? Una a good friend. You make me come up here so with you and come in a bang around with this uptown girl. You just run gun left me when time me rush the girl for defend you. You just run gun left me.
Pinky, what you talk about? Me no run gone away. I just come out of the store because I get the call to go pick up the money. So I just come out of the store to go pick up the money, girl. What you talk about, girl? No, girl. Run gone left wa for wa. But me I run left you for. No, girl, me no know what you talk about. Me never run left you.
Oh, a that go on? Never know say a that go on, Ashley. You uptown girl a tell be a lie pie down ya. She tell be a lie pie. You know, say after me push the girl and the girl slap me in my face and me turn around and me no see which pie you turn. The girl say I run out of the store like a thief. Had that the girl say. The girl say when time you see say, she put on a one lick pa me. You take away yourself like how you see and Bolt or Shelley and Fraser. You run. Had that the girl say. Yeah, girl. Had that you say.
Then, girl, come on, man, girl. At 2 against one of the uptown girl, you know. Then we would want to run from the girl for. A easy gang up and beat up that. Easy girl. We are talking about. A they call me get figure pick up the money. And girl, me get the money from the big man. So me could go over KFC, go sit down and buy 2 big deal and drink with juice and bust big laugh and belch. Come girl, meet me over Springs Plaza. Me I go right over there right now at the KFC. Me I go wait for you in the line.
Yeah, girl. At that me a talk about, cause right now all the worm them in my belly a talk to me loud. Me hungry bad. Hey, the uptown gal box me hot, you know. Ashley, anyway me see that gal the man. Member, me a go beat her.
Lad, why? So Pinky really fall for that story there. But I'll Pinky a idiot. And me can't see that the girl left box her down flat a ground so me bout me a turn up. Run gone left girl. As she alone I get them the box down them. Me not take no lick from no uptown girl. Me we book her half guard and beat her myself. But me not stand up and make no girl beat me. Hey, the girl fling the hand back and Pinky good, you know. When me hear Pinky hit the ground boof like a ripe breadfruit, me have to take with myself. Can't take a box down in my nice, clean, cute face. No, sir.
You know, sir, yo, you know, star. There I think about this whole thing, you star, and it seems as if it's badness business, you are joking, star, this thing, and I even benefit me none at all. Because I'm there, and loyal to Baradan, me loyal to a general. Every time I strap get missed up, I theme thing, I theme ups, I theme everything. The man always find a way to turn it back around upon me and I force me to pay film strap. A joke thing, and me all of the little queen of them rate. And me are the man who are going to make the step them and me I commit all our robbery and me I do everything. If I bat for flick and me or a me go get somebody to do it. Better than just have the name, say I'm my done. But I'm me are the man. I look on it. Every time something go wrong, I me the man ever try for style. And I me I roll up him name and I make him look good. This thing a Joe thing, it better meet on it done. Yeah, it better meet on it done right now. Because I me every little youth rate, I made them come to, I made them turn to any little thing. I tuggy I deal with it for them. Better than rate nobody more than himself, man. And right now, a full time now somebody put a stop to this thing. We know no more foolishness with the general right now, star. Cause right now, yo, General Star, make up over full. Cause I see how the man a deal with liquor chase thing, star. The liquor man just drop out. I made a man call for carry 2 liquor juvenile on the app, so I me make the youth them come out. And the youth drop out and your neighbor say, yo, make a rally around the family. I tell me if you go put pressure upon the man, granny, if pay for strap. No, sir. That brother here, in the value nobody life, man. Him is just all about himself and him strap them. Right now, the strap them more important than a life to bother that. And me know so for a fact, the same way in pre-married life. Channel star. This thing you have to stop. Gotta done. Gots to go.
Wonder what I'll go on with my baby Rachel. If a man, I'm not talk to her. You know what? Let me give her a call.
Hey, Brandon, what's up?
You know what some day I do, Rachel? You know, so my mind just run by and I say I give you a link cause me not hear from your family. Everything good, baby?
I guess, but guess who I ran into this morning?
Ooh, Me no know. Catch me now. Let me know where I go on. How we see this morning.
I ran into your ex, Ashley. I was in a store in Hackway Tree, and she and her pink-headed friend rushed me.
Where I say, Rachel? She do what? But now, man, you know, so that girl there overstep her bone and no star. Wait for me and her. The other me, I got deal with this. Watch and see I got go on between me and her. Because I see her what day, you know. I'm a one, her, you know, say, if you love me, woman alone, you know. And I did she come do. See you in the streets and I rush you. I take care of this, man, baby, man. Don't worry yourself. I got this.
Nah, no need to worry, Brandon. I handled it.
What you mean you take care of it, baby? I want to know exactly what going on because if the girl they ever hurt you, man, a different thing that got deal with where she's concerned, you know. So talk to me, let me know what really go on.
Brandon, I said I took care of it. And to be honest, she did nothing really. She just ran.
I don't understand, Rachel, man. You're talking a parables, man. You deal with it and you just a laugh. What go on? I want to know what really happened because they say all she did do I just run. I don't understand. I don't get it. First left, then right, then what? I'm last. What go on? Talk to me, the man, baby.
Okay, Brandon. So what happened is her friend Pinkhead came over to me talking crazy. So I slapped the hell out of her. And your ex saw that and ran.
You see, your schedule. Away and I say. But you're a bad man. Your box down pinky. And a pinky name, man. A pinky. Because you don't do pinky ever pinky in every way, man. Fashion over style of that pinky, say. So your box down pinky, I go and actually run. Aye. Never know say I say you're bad, my baby. Me serious say you're a little uptown girl. Why? You impress me.
Uptown girl? Yeah, right. That's what they thought too. But Pinky had got one hell of a surprise.
That is it, my baby. That is it. Same way, so I'm glad to you defend yourself for the little big idiot girl, them man, and box down all the one thing. I want to see her in the street for this laugh off her. Because them come to you, you know, them come show right here in her feet. So you want a little uptown, frail uptown girl who can't fight her, defend herself. I'm glad you stand up to them still and make them know what time it is, my baby. That is it.
Yep, and that I did. So, what's up with you for today?
You know, so I'm there, though. I'm just there, go and all I made a contemplate for whom if we go vote for all Wednesday, you know, because next week, basically a couple days after the election, we're supposed to go back up at the ministry because we need to go line up, we can register and bring in the medical certificate and all the other necessities them to go back on the farmer program again. So I just hope whichever government win and whichever government come in them nobody to drag them foot on that thing because right now me I depend on that because I hit me and figure use to make myself a man.
Okay then, Brandon. I'll leave you to it. Gonna get back to work and we'll talk later.
Alright, my baby, man. That's a 40, man. We'll talk to you a little more, you see. Anyway, I'm going to make a one chat go up on the road and I'll go see where I go on. Wagwan Shelly. Where you pan? You good?
Wagwan Shelly with what? I better go on like you want come style me in a dirty boy, Brandon. My name Ashley, my name Shelly.
Boy, to hold me, you run like a thief. You're half a Shelly. You can't name Ashley again. Pocket racket, are you that? To hear your bolt out of the store when time you see Pinky head get butt off, quick and fast. Awa, you no feel so true my girl come from uptown, she can't fight. And you did a push war with the girl in and talk about you go beat her anywhere you see her. Well, you see her and you have to run. It look like you can't tell did sing about don't run, Ashley, don't run.
Stay there go and talk, man. Stay there go and talk and laugh all you want. We are going to see her who are going to have the last laugh. Tell the little uptown girl let's have to watch her head back because anyway me and Pinky book her. Watch and see where I can go on, man. I better say you see one. I have to go ball over her. Alright, cool. You a laugh now, me I go laugh later. Watch and see where I can go on.
I'm not even going to pay you bad minding Ashley. Because you don't even want to idiot. You want she idiot. Real big, full laghead girl. You feel like some my girl, I want like a punk where you could have walk over, man. But you get the surprise of your life. Darn. Wall out pocket racket, the real Shelly and Fraser. Or you have to really take bad things, make joking about. Look how she did that bad up her mouth of the year, man. And a pint up in my face and I go on about anywhere you see uptown girl. I go and beat her and make sure she's ready to take out her haze ring and spike heel and bass sitting. And you buck the girl, 2 hours, one a she, backs down pinky flatter ground. And you take up your foot in your hand and run. Channel star. It's funny for real, man. I'm proud of my baby, Rachel. I'm proud of her. Well done, my baby. Well done. I with it, I want to go on and say, like boy, Tuggy that. Channel star, yo. Can't take the problem with them, my money in a star. Channel star, I mean, know him good all see me all already too, you know. I can't ever make all that turn off star, yo, cha-cha god. Yo, me just hold myself together and just walk past him, man. Tough up my face like, you don't know. Yeah, man, watch and see where I'm going.
Yo, Brandon, wagwan. You know some more of me sit down and well, decent reasoning though. You know you probably in your feelings about everything still, and I know you have a right to feel away there still because whole heap of unjust and unnecessary things reach you as a youth. And Jano star, deep within me, I know say you don't deserve none of that we're going. But I feel like some young have a decent reason right to know about everything. From before you even get shut up, everything. Just so I feel lay out everything on the table because Jano star, this badness thing, joke business. Too much youth are losing 3 pints under my belt. I mean, I feel too good about it. So I just decide, say, yo, I take a walk, chance it, see if I can see you. So I can go with a decent reason about everything I want. Full time now, you know the full 100 youth. I have good youth and I see where you're straight down from one different part and the sad thing is in a Brandon. Well, the truth is really Brandon. I don't really want to see your life get taken. I don't want to see another youth go down. Especially when I know say I can probably help him to save him from himself. Alright, I know, as a real gangster, to a little youth when I know say a good youth, me I need for all I reason. I would have loved to see you go back from the street and now. And nobody pick up a dirty life like with me I live right, you know. Cause right now youths like me in too deep. I can't even save myself right now so my time to me look for my life. Cause me just build my life and center my life around the dirty badness life. But you're not too far gone, Brandon. No, me can help save you. So do this, not for me, but do it for you and your mother. Say I have a nice little uptown girl to a feature I bring in on the ends. Man, them attack on the front more time say you only a girl look good and thing you. Nobody dash where your life you. Nobody be a next little chase. Nobody be a next shot for you. Make a go all a reasoning. What you say?